Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 3-door Suzuki Vitara Wagon, stock reference number 5299. The shape runs from the 8th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has a slight fold on the front edge. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left door has 3 small dents. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Spare wheel with a ball tyre 16-inch. Right hand tail light. Right door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.